7 divided by 7 gives us 1. And again, here we have 7 divided by 7, which is again 1. And 1 divided by 1 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, when we have similar arithmetic, like in this case division, we have to do left to right. So we have to start from 7 here, and we are going to divide 7 by 7, and we are going to continue with the operation. So here we have 7 divided by 7, which gives us 1, and 1 is going to be divided by 7, and again the dividend is going to be divided by 7 once again. So 1 divided by 7 is 1 over 7, and 1 over 7 is going to be divided by 7 again. Here we have a fraction and division problem. So how do we do this? There is a simple step to do so. So it is called the KCF formula. So what is this? Well, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So we have to keep the first thing. Here we have 1 over 7. We have to keep that. And here we have division. We have to change that, right? So that is what C stands for. And we have 7 here. We have to flip 7, right? So when we flip 7, it becomes 1 over 7. So we have to keep 1 over 7 and change the division to multiplication, and then we have to flip 7, and it becomes 1 over 7. And now it becomes a multiplication problem. So when we multiply fractions, all we have to do is multiply the top number and multiply the bottom number, and we are going to get the correct answer. So 1 times 1 gives us just 1, and 7 times 7 is 49. So the final answer to this question is 49.